for me, lady.
How did it go?
She stole like a gallon of my blood, and I think she's gonna sell it.
Okay, so they did a heartworm test.
She tried to cut my feet off, I think.
And you got a nail trim.
She stabbed me.
And you got a shot, yep.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. To see any face, that'll put you in your place. 7 letters on the plate, fuck you when I break. I got. Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. To see any face, that'll put you in your place. In the thundering rain, you stare into my eyes.
You cannot control me. You cannot. Okay. You can have a little control, but I'm still in charge. I can attack any minute, but you can control for like a second. Oh, that's nice. That's really a spot right there.
We are live from Sky Fox 1. Crackhead on the loose. Last seen smoking crystal meth out of a Pepsi can. Drives directly into a tree. Police are...
I'm coming in hot.
Don't be so sad. I know it's hard sometimes. Stop and take a deep breath. I promise it'll be okay. I love you.
Don't want you. He's a happy dog. He's a happy dog. He's a happy dog. It's cleaning day. It's cleaning day. We're gonna mop, we're gonna wipe, we're gonna spray. We're gonna scrub, dub the dirt.
How do I play this game?
You have to catch it.
Okay, I'll catch it. All right.
That's good. That's
Okay,
good.
I'll do it. Okay.
That was really
I'm ready for the game. What is catch me?
I used to protect him. Now he protects me.
'Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone and you're not afraid to lose them, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do.
You know just what to say. Things that scare me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet. The more that I know you, the more I want to. Something inside me's changed. I was so much younger yesterday. Oh, I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need when you give me the whole damn zoo. By the way, right away, you do things to my body. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you.
Okay, tell someone. Alexa, have Furbo toss a treat. Ugh. Alexa, have Furbo toss a treat.
Dad, what do I do with my paws? What do you mean? I'm not very comfortable. You gotta just lay there. But just squidging me. I don't know what to tell you. Fine. What do you do today? What do you mean? We gotta feel the silence. What are you doing today? I went to work. What'd you do today? Pretty much this, but comfier.